you all? You all are fine, right? Okay. Since long time we have met. So I am back again with a new lesson. The lesson is about a rat. So you all are ready to listen to it? Okay, then come on. देखो ना, page number 54 पे देखो ना, एकता, that is oneness. वह देखो वह आता चूहा, look there, a rat is coming. आंखों को चमकाता चूहा, so the eyes are shining. The eyes of the rat are shining. मूंछों में मुस्काता चूहा, so the rat is laughing, shaking its beard. Okay. लंबी पूंछ हिलाता चूहा, पूंछ means its bird. मक्खन रोटी खाता चूहा, so the rat is eating the roti from the kitchen. It is stealing and eating the roti from the kitchen. So it's a mischievous rat. Okay. बिल्ली से डर जाता चूहा. So the rat is frightened of a cat. The cat is chasing the rat. So the rat is very frightened of it. So बिल्ली से डर जाता चूहा means the rat is frightened of a cat. Okay. Now I will read out once more. Look into it. वह देखो वह आता चूहा, आंखों को चमकाता चूहा, मूंछों में मुस्काता चूहा, लंबी पूंछ हिलाता चूहा, मक्खन रोटी खाता चूहा, बिल्ली से डर जाता चूहा. So the poem was very funny, right? Now let us move on to the vocabulary. See there, चूहा के बदले बिल्ली शब्द जोड़े. So here in the poem it is saying about mouse, and here we want to make it as billy, that means cat. Let us make it out. वह देखो वह आती बिल्ली, आंखों को चमकाती बिल्ली, मूंछों में मुस्काती बिल्ली, लंबी पूंछ हिलाती बिल्ली, मक्खन रोटी खाती बिल्ली, कुत्ता से डर जाती बिल्ली. Okay? Now see the next one. चूहे की विशेषताएं लिखे. So you should write the features of the rat from the poem. What are those? आंखों को चमकाता चूहा, मूंछों में मुस्काता चूहा, लंबी पूंछ हिलाता चूहा, मक्खन रोटी खाता चूहा, and बिल्ली से डर जाता चूहा. So that was a short poem about our rat. Now see to next page, page number 56. There is a short story. What is the story? Let me read it out. Okay. एकता की नाव. What do you mean by now? Ekta, I have said oneness. Then what do you mean by now? Yeah, very good. It's a boat. Okay. एक मेंढक, एक चूजा, एक चूहा और एक चींटी सब साइड को निकले. So who all went for walking? एक मेंढक. मेंढक is very good. Frog. एक चूजा. Who is this चूजा? Yeah, it is a chick. एक चूहा. What is this चूहा? Very good. It's a rat. एक चींटी. चींटी is an ant. सब साइड को निकले. All those went for walking. So there is a question regarding it. आपके दोस्त कौन कौन हैं? Who बताए लिखे. So who are your friends? So you should write there. Who are your friends? The name of your friends. मेंढक के और कौन-कौन दोस्त हो सकते हैं? Who are friends of frog? चूहा होता है, चींटी होता है और चूजा होता है. Okay. Now let us look into next page number 57. चलते चलते वे एक झील के किनारे पहुंचे. So while walking, they reached near a pond. चलो ताईरे. So suddenly the frog jumped into the pond and asked his friend, "Come on, dear friend, swim with me." ताईरे means to swim. कहकर मेंढक पानी में कूद गया. See, the frog is asking his friend. While they reached near a pond, the frog suddenly jumped into the pond and asking his friends, "Come on, my dear friends, jump into the pond like me." Jil means pond. Tair means to swim. Okay. Now let us see what happened. Go to page number 58. पर हमको तो तैरना नहीं आता. We don't know to swim. What shall we do? चूसा चूहा चींटी ने कहा. The chick, a rat and ant said, "We don't know to swim." टर टर टर. फिर तुम्हारा तो. What can you do rather? You don't know to swim. Shame of you. The frog said laughing. यहाँ कोई काम नहीं. मेंढक हंसने लगे. So you don't have any job here. Go away. If you don't know to swim, you don't have any job here. You go away. Looking to page number 59. What happened? चूजे चूहे और चींटी को बहुत बुरा लगा. They felt so bad. Why the meंढक is their friend? Then why is he teasing like this? They felt so bad. Poor things. उन्होंने कोई उपाय सोचने की कोशिश की. They were thinking of a plan. वे सोचते गए. They were thinking. सोचते ही गए. Went on thinking. फिर उन्होंने एक उपाय निकला. Suddenly an idea struck into their mind. What was the idea? Let us see into the next page. So look into page number 60. चूजा एक पत्ता लेकर वापस आया. So the chick came back getting a leaf. चूहा एक नारियल का छिलका. And a rat came back with a tender coconut shell. और गागा ले आया. गागा means thread. चींटी एक छड़ी ले आई. छड़ी means stick. The ant came with a stick. So the chick came with a leaf and the rat came with a coconut shell and a thread and the chindi came with a stick. Then what happened? Let us move on to page number 61. सबने मिलकर 1 मिनट में ही सुंदर नाव तैयार की. See, they all joined together and made a beautiful boat. उन्होंने उसे पानी में धकाया और उस पर चढ़ गया. They put it into the water, put the boat into the water and went and sat inside. चढ़ गया means went and sat inside. अब चल पड़ी उनकी नाव. And they were so happy and enjoying and they started moving in the boat. So see, there is a question. कौन क्या लाया? What they bought? चूजा क्या लाया? चूजा ने एक पत्ता लाया. और चूहा क्या लाया? चूहा ने एक नारियल का छिलका और धागा लाया. चिंटी ने क्या लाया? चींटी ने एक छड़ी लाई. So is it clear? Now let us move on to the next page, page number 62. मेंढक अपना सिर पानी में से निकालकर फिर हंसने लगा. इतने में एक बड़ा सांप मेंढक के पीछे भागा. Suddenly the frog raised his head out and started looking at them. Suddenly a sound, that means a snake came following the frog. The snake wanted to swallow the frog and the snake came running behind the frog. बताए मेंढक को क्या हुआ होगा? So think what the frog, why was the frog frightened? Yeah, the snake will swallow the frog. That's why the frog frightened. Okay, मेंढक ने सांप को देखकर बहुत घबरा गया. Okay, now let us move on to page number 63. बचाओ, बचाओ, मेंढक चिल्लाने लगा. Oh, save me, save me. The frog started crying. You should think that frog was chasing his friends. आजा दोस्त, आजा. सब मिलकर नाव मेंढक की ओर लाया. So the friends did not do what the frog did. They called the frog. Come on, my dear friend, get into the boat. Then what happened? Let us see to the next page. Page number 64 से देखो ना. मेंढक नाव पर चढ़ गया. वह एकदम शर्मिंदा हो गया. उसने दोस्तों से माफी मांगी. So frog went and sat inside the boat and all of them were happy. Sharminda means they all were together once more and started to move in the boat. So that was the story. And see, there is a question. अब नाव में कौन कौन है? कौन कौन है अब नाव में? मेंढक है और चींटी है और कौन है? और चूहा है और कौन है? और चूजा है. So that was the story. How was it? You all enjoyed it a lot, right? Okay. So if we all be one, anything can be possible. Okay then. Thank you for watching video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.